Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Julia. If you don't know me, I am your favorite thrifter, your favorite thrift reseller, and your favorite thrift shopper. And I can also teach you how to make a little coin on the side. So definitely hit the subscribe button if any of those things interest you before we get into this video. Today, I went on a huge adventure with my mother. It was insane. We had a couple laughs, we had Chick-fil-A, it was really fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this little trip that we took to the Final Cut in Augusta, Georgia. If you don't know anything about the Final Cut, let's talk about it. So this place is going to sell all of your sample pieces and rejected items and discontinued items from Free People, Urban Outfitters, and Anthropologie, and so much more. It's ridiculous. They have packed this place so full of stuff. I don't know how else I can describe it. You just need to watch this video and figure it out for yourself. If you have any questions about the place itself, you can definitely check out their Instagram. And they actually have a couple locations around the US. So if you've been to a different location, comment down below and let me know what it's like there. I've never been to another one than this one. So let's go to Final Cut.
I should take my mask off.
Okay, hey, what is up, you guys? We have just driven an hour and 15 minutes to Augusta, Georgia to go to the Final Cut. So if you've never heard of it, I talked about it in my thrifting video. So this is how we can keep them from landfills and also get really good items. Mom's gonna look at the furniture and I'm gonna look at the clothes. She loves furniture.
Let's do it!
Wow. Okay, so we did it. How long were we in there?
An hour and a half, 2 hours.
Let's talk about the clothes and like what's in there.
It's just so hard to tell. I am a total bargain shopper. Love to go to a messy store, but the clothes thing where you're having to pull an arm out and see if it's a shirt or pant, and there's so much, it's just insane.
But the big thing about the clothes that I don't understand is it's not all Free People, Anthropologie, and Urban Outfitters. So it looks like there are like a lot of clothes in there that are quite obviously like going to be used for their brand. So I guess they're like buying out these smaller designers items and then changing the labels. That's my assumption, but it looks like a lot of small designers are getting like tossed to the side into this like big free-for-all. So it's really weird. So I don't really understand it. Also, whenever you check out with all the clothes, they'll cut the tags in half, but I'm gonna do a haul and show you guys what I got later today. But we are now gonna head to Shop Swank Co., which is a TikTok famous boutique here in Augusta. Okay, we got Chick-fil-A for lunch, we got Dunkin', and we just shopped at Swank. So if you guys have ever seen those TikToks of the girl that like uses a rotary cutter to like crop everything, but
you got 2 cute shirts.
I did get 2 cute shirts, and I got 2 pairs of cute earrings. So we've had a great day here in Augusta. Oh, wait, no, I gotta find a place to take a picture. I'm just gonna drive around this little thing. Instagram picture, and then we're going home. Woo! Okay, Okay, let's talk about everything that I got. I am so overwhelmed by the amount of things that I got. First, I'm going to show you what I got for myself and just zoom through that really quickly. And then I'm going to show you everything that I'm selling back to you guys. So firstly, the things that I got from Swank were 2 pairs of earrings. The other one's sitting in the bag, but it's these lightning bolt earrings, and those were $12. And then I got these flower earrings, which are cute and which will be cute with some of the shirts that I got. And these were half off. These were, I believe, like $7. That's those. And then these tops are both from Swank. I've been really into the puffy sleeve, like I talked about in the last video with that red top. I just kind of want the same vibe consistently in my wardrobe. So this pink top, I love it. I thought it was really cute, a little smocked situation. So I got another top like this, but this one has the see-through sleeves and it has the smocked stomach, which makes me look skinnier than I am, which is something that I love. That's everything I got from Swank. And then this is everything I got for myself from Final Cut. I got myself a pillow sham. This was originally an Anthropologie pillow sham, but I'm a big pillow fiend and I like to bring color in with pillows, and so this was a good find. This next thing is a little blue dress. Once again, those sleeves are showing up. I love this little like milkmaid-y situation. I think it's really flattering on my like torso because I have such a strange I don't understand my torso, and so this somehow makes me understand it more. Next up is this crazy shirt. This shirt is redonkulous. It is so fun, and it actually says that it's a sample piece. So like I said, you're getting sample pieces, which means that they weren't necessarily picked up by a brand. It's like a Muppet. Like, that's what it reminds me of. I don't know, I'm gonna live out my fantasies of being Monster the Muppet, I guess. This next piece is another one of those smocked tops. And so I found a yellow smocked top. It's honestly a lot thinner than I thought it was. See, like you can use the light through it, but it's so cute and it's so fun and easy breezy. That's what I like about it. This top stood out to me because of the color. Free People loves to sell this like electric-y lime green. Here's the piece. The try-on honestly shows it better, but then I found these like 2 random little like halter straps, so I guess you're supposed to tie it, but I'm definitely gonna like cut those off and just wear it as a top by itself. Hello. These were so fun. All their sunglasses are $5. I have gotten so many from there. These are sick. Like, they're white plated and it's like the acrylic. I mean, these are just, Another thing that was only $5 was this silk hair tie. We all know how these look. Let me see what brand it was going to be. This was an Urban Outfitters, and then I guess they had too many or discontinued it, so. And then the last 2 things that I got were 2 books. So the first one is, I actually posted a picture of it on my Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram. This is In Paris, 20 Women on Life in the City of Light. I dream to live in Paris one day. That's kind of been my life plan. And so having this little coffee table book with pictures of women in Paris and kind of understanding what life looks like there, I think is really positive for me and like helps me keep my goal. This one, you would never guess, but this is a minimalist book. I am quite the opposite of a minimalist. This is a really nice way to remind myself that less is more. It's called A Visual Guide to Minimalism, and so everything in it is minimal. So it's just the text and then directions and simple. So that's everything I got for myself. Let's talk about what you guys are getting out of this video. So I'm gonna start with bottoms. A lot of these I want to steal from you guys, but I don't think that's quite fair. I have a couple of these skirts. This is first a polka dot one. Oh my gosh, I love this style of skirt, quite obviously, because I wore this style of skirt today to the place, and so I really love it, and I hope you guys will too. This is a size 12. Next up is another one of those skirts, but in a different pattern. So it's essentially the same style of skirt. It is not the same size. This one's a 4, but I am an 8, but I fit in both the 12 and the 4. So the 4 is a little bit tighter around my stomach, but other than that, it is so cute and versatile. I can't rave about these skirts anymore. And then finally for these skirts, this one's actually super intricate. So it wraps around with a zipper. Oh my gosh. So it wraps around with a zipper on the side right here. So you buckle that And then after you zip it, there's actually 2 ties in the front that you tie. The pattern's awesome. It's very like Hawaii, but this one's a little more tiered and layered than the other skirts, but just as beautiful. Next up, we have some Free People shorts. These are size 29. Perfect condition. I could not complain. These were also new with tags whenever I picked them up, but the lady obviously cut them off. And so they're a little distressed here and there, and these are just really fun pants. Next up is this other skirt. It's another mini skirt, and it is one of those kind of paper bag waists with the tie around it. This is actually crazy flattering. This is a size, I think this is a 6 or an 8, but you cannot read it anymore because the lady cut through the tag. But it is so cute on, you guys will see, but you guys will have it soon. The last 2 bottoms are the classic Free People skirt, but in cheetah. Holy moly, this one was new with tags, but this is actually a size 12. I would say this is a medium to large. Yeah, can't complain. Finally, for the bottoms, these I could not try on because these are a size 27, but these are Rollas, which are a brand that are sold by Free People, and they are just a corduroy teal. The fabric is not very stretchy, so if you like a rigid kind of short, this is the short for you. This is a sweatshirt that is a Free People movement line. So this little symbol is actually the Free People movement. Holy moly, how cute. They're little like friendship bracelets for the pulley. It has no tags in it, so it doesn't have like any Free People tags. I would say this is a large. This top actually is Urban Outfitters, but it's a size medium, and it is just a classic little flower tee. It's a little crop graphic. Hoping you guys like it. I really like it. And the last of the tops that I got for you guys was an Urban Outfitters smock top. This is a pretty blue one, and it is a size medium. So this first one is, it's so confusing, but it is so cute. So it comes with just singular like ties. There are 4 ties, 2 to go to your back, and then 2 to go behind your neck, I think. But I think you can actually tie this in a lot of different ways. It is this gorgeous red color, and I think it's supposed to cowl at the neck right there. Up your back, it actually has these buttons, but it is a size small. This one goes hard. It is a size large, and it is a 1 shoulder, but I just love this freaking dress. It has so much detail, and it's just so Free People. This was a really hard trip for me because I'm trying to be more size inclusive, but in reality, it is, especially in this store, it is hard to find things over like a size 30. Or a size large. So I grabbed this because number 1, I thought it was cute, but number 2, this is a size 16. So this is an Anthropologie dress, and it is the cutest cheetah print, and I just wanted to grab this. I feel like a lot of thrift accounts don't offer sizes larger than a large or larger than a, I don't know, like a 12. I thought it was absolutely adorable. Honestly, I wish this fit me. So one more dress. This one is so cute and pastel and girly and kind of nightgownish, and I was really happy with this pickup. The only downside is I am going to have to sew the straps on, but I love the look of it, and the straps are actually still adjustable, so I think this is a really good piece. And this is actually, once again, not picked up by a brand yet, so it does not have a size, but I would say a medium, so maybe a medium to large. And finally, the coolest piece that I got, I picked up this immediately, but this was going to be an Anthropologie. This is a sample for Anthropologie Swim. Holy moly. This is so cute. So this is a 1X, and it is a gorgeous one piece, so well made. I am in love with this piece, so cute. So those are all the items that I'm selling to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure. If you guys have any questions about Final Cut or about me, about my thrift account, leave it down below. Make sure you stick around, and don't forget to subscribe and comment what your favorite item was. I'll see you guys next time.